Herbivore Botanicals sources the finest raw natural materials the earth has to offer, from Japanese bamboo charcoal to Brazilian gemstones. These emollients are used to formulate treatments that are luxurious and all-natural. By combining essential vitamins, minerals, and botanicals, your skin is restored to its optimum health and vitality. Hibiscus Flower stimulates circulation and supplies essential nutrients to the pores. Excellent tonic properties assist in the elimination of toxins, restores the normal acid-alkaline balance. Bulgarian Rose Oil acts as a natural anti-inflammatory for the skin while also increasing hydration and reducing redness. Aloe Vera Extremely hydrating and gentle on skin. It is water-based so it blends seamlessly into the skin and never leaves oily residue. Rich in antioxidants, aloe is known to provide healing and anti-inflammatory properties for irritated or inflamed skin. Witch Hazel, a mild, alcohol-free astringent distilled from the stems of the witch hazel shrub. Excellent for toning, soothing the skin and reducing inflammation, while restoring pH balance. A base of organic coconut water is infused with youth-boosting hibiscus flower petals and moisture-enhancing Bulgarian rose to tone, hydrate, and soften all skin types. Rose Hibiscus Hydrating Face Mist is created with pure plant actives, no fillers, handcrafted in small batches, paraben-free, sulfate-free, alcohol-free, cruelty-free. 2 Florida ounce. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.